Today's highlight is a house that reimagines how to live on a compact urban lot, revealing clever solutions to integrate light, nature, and family life within a vertical space. The house needed to be expanded and transformed to accommodate a family of 4. 2 rooms had to be added, one for the children and one for the adults. Located in the Plateau Mont-Royal neighborhood in Montreal, Thibault House gained 2 new glass and wood volumes, one placed on the roof, and the other in the garden under a large tree. Both additions expand the home's function in creative ways, respecting the original brick structure while creating a dialogue between inside and outside. The garden box, designed as a playroom for the children, connects directly to the interior living spaces and opens onto the courtyard with wide glass doors, working as a pavilion. When seen from above, it nearly disappears into the surrounding vegetation thanks to the green roof that covers it. In the kitchen, located at the junction of the 2 ground floor wings, the person cooking has a 270-degree view of everything around, through a horizontal opening that looks out to the living room, the garden, and even part of the playroom. Throughout the house, openings and semi-transparent screens let in light and encourage interaction between spaces. The social areas on the ground floor form an L shape around the garden, which becomes an extension of the house during the warmer months. Surrounded by 3 facades and a tall ivy-covered fence, this green courtyard acts as a retreat from the city, staying cool in summer and muffling urban noise. The upper volume, like a treehouse for adults, holds the primary bedroom. Lined with wood, it offers views of the city and the sunrise and functions as a light well for the spaces below, with an opening in the floor and a semi-transparent trellis bridge. That bridge floats above the double-height living room, creating visual connections and making the most of the incoming natural light. A long wall of sliding wooden panels separates the bedrooms from the rest of the house at night and opens up in the morning. The sleeping areas then become spacious and bright, benefiting from the double height space that brings in light from the third floor windows. The lightweight steel staircase connects all 3 levels within a vertical volume filled with overhead natural light, reinforcing the feeling of being outdoors, even when inside. Few materials were used, mainly reclaimed wood and oxidized steel, chosen for their simplicity, durability, and local origin. Thibault House embraces the essentials without excess, inviting light, togetherness, and a slower pace of living.